Good morning. In the previous class, we did discovery of electrons and protons. Today, we will be doing Thomson's model of an atom, Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment, observations and conclusions, and the nuclear model of an atom derived from his experiment. Let's start with the first topic, J.J. Thomson's model of an atom. J.J. Thomson's model is also known as plum pudding model of an atom. In his model, he considered atom to be a sphere of positive charge where negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. The positive charge on this sphere equals to the negatively charged electrons, and as a result, the atom remains neutral. It is compared to plum pudding where the resins were compared to the negatively charged electrons and the pudding was positively charged sphere, as you can see in the diagram. The second topic is Rutherford's alpha particles scattering experiment. The credit for the discovery of the nucleus of an atom goes to a British physicist, Rutherford. He discovered the nucleus by performing alpha particle scattering experiment. Alpha particles are positively charged particles identified as helium nuclei. Rutherford took a very thin gold foil and bombarded alpha particles. These alpha particles were released from radioactive substance, polonium. These alpha particles passed through gold foil and were made to strike the zinc sulfide screen. You can see in the diagram, polonium is taken as the radioactive substance. Following are the observations and conclusions of the Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment. Number 1. Most of the alpha particles pass straight as most of the scintillations were produced right behind the gold foil. This means most of the space in the atom is empty. In observation, very few alpha particles were deflected through some angles as very few scintillations were produced. This means that nucleus is positively charged because it repelled the positively charged alpha particles. Observation, very few alpha particles retraced their path as negligible scintillations were produced on the front side. This means that nucleus is hard and dense. This model described the structure of an atom as follows. There is a positively charged core in the center of an atom called nucleus. All the mass of the atom is concentrated in this nucleus. Second point, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in well-defined circular paths called orbits, like planets revolving around the sun. Model is also called the planetary model of the atom. Since the atom is neutral, the number of electrons are equal to the number of protons in the nucleus.